Hello guys, so if you're looking to create a Telegram channel, so if that's the case, we have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now firstly, open the Telegram application, then click on the three lines at the top right corner, click on new group. Now click on the arrow at the bottom right corner. Now just simply enter the name of your group, then choose a profile picture for your group. Now you can choose any picture, but I'm going to choose emoji, so click emoji. Now just simply choose any emoji of your liking, then choose the background over here. Then just simply click on set group photo, and now after that, if you want to enable auto delete messages, you can also do that. And after all of that, just simply click on the check mark, and now the group is made. Now for additional settings, just simply click on the group name, then click on the pencil icon at the top right, and now over here you will find all the settings regarding your group. So the first thing that you have to change is the group type. Click on it. Now if you want a private group, you can just simply keep it private, and to invite people in your group, you have to share them your link that you can see over here, which you can copy. Or if you want to reset your link, or if you want to remove someone that you have already sent your link but you don't want them in your group and you want to change your link, all you have to do is just simply click on three dots and click on revoke link, and then revoke, and a new link will be generated, and you can send this new link to the people that you want to invite. Now this is how you can use private groups. Now to public group, the public group can be easily searched by your name on the Telegram search panel. You can also add a unique link to it as well, and as you can see, the name is available. So what you can do is just simply send this particular link that you just created to the people that you want to invite in your group. Now after doing all of the changes, just simply click on the check mark at the top right. Now you can also add a small description about your group by clicking on the description, which is optional over here. Click on it and you can add your description. You can add it over here, and then after making your details, click check mark at the top. Now you can also set permissions in your group by click on the permission icon over here and set whatever you want in your group. Now in the end, if you want to add someone in your group, I already said you have to send the link, invitation if it is private, or just simply say to search your channel in the search panel. Or if you want to add members, just simply go back, click on your group name and click on add other members. You can also search if you want to, and then just simply choose the person and click on the check mark, then click on add. Now the other person is now added as a group member in your group. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.